Probably 5 of 6. You're going to edit for correct syntax, which is just a fancy way of sentence structure. As you know, grammar mistakes can be distracting for your reader, and this takes away the focus of the message you're trying to communicate. And we have been going over this a lot in your writing fundamentals quizzes. And now you're going to apply what you have done in your writing fundamentals quizzes to what you see it here in these examples. So what you'll be doing is you're going to see a sample of writing, and then you're going to identify the issue with the writing, and then you're going to correct it. So if we look at this, Grendel is an ancient villain who is both terrifying and bear-like. He bears a striking resemblance to the Beast from Beauty and the Beast of modern society. Okay, so we know that if we look at this, we can tell that that's a comma splice because we have two independent clauses that are separated by just a comma here. So then you could separate it by making it two independent sentences. If we look at this next one, this shows the honor of Beowulf, as he will not fight Grendel with a sword, shield, or armor, as it will be an unfair fight even for a beast. Okay, so that's a fragment sentence, as it will be an unfair fight even for a beast. So you would identify it as a fragment, and then you would revise it over here. So the revision here that's given to you is Beowulf shows honor when he will not fight Grendel with a sword, shield, or armor, since that would constitute an unfair fight, even against a beast. Okay, so as you go through this, you are going to look at these examples, identify what what type of error is occurring in the sentence, and then you're going to revise it here in this section. If you have any questions at all of what you're supposed to do for this, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.